Super excited to share with you this week an interview I did with Angela Santiago, who is the co-founder of the Little Potato Company. She founded it with her father many years ago, a couple decades ago. But we have a great interview of her sharing her journey to building this great company that started as a small Canadian company and now is all across North America and does substantial business in the US, and they're doing really well, healthy business. Angela is someone who is a student of the game. She's a great learner, continuing to learn and grow and be the best CEO and shareholder she can be. And she has lots of great experiences to share in the interview. You're going to love it. And she's just one of these people that when you meet someone who is really down to earth and really trying to do good things on the planet, with the time and the resources that they have, she's like that. It's a delight to work with her. I've worked with her for more than a decade. I think it's almost a decade and a half. And what a great success story she's built out of a small town in Canada. Not so small, but fairly small. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the interview with Angela. There'll be a couple others in this series as well.